Choosing the right dog clippers can define grooming ease, pet stress levels, and long-term maintenance costs. This comparison analyzes 5 popular clippers from 2 brands, One Is All and Suplink, spanning a price range of $29.99 to $116, with an average around $57.68. Our methodology combines feature-focused evaluation, noise levels, blade design, motor power, battery life, water resistance.
List number 1 is One Is All Dog Clipper Low Noise. This budget-friendly kit emphasizes silent operation and beginner accessibility. It ships with 6 guide combs, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 millimeters, and a charger that supports use while charging. The motor claims below 50 decibels with a 3-layer safety design and an upgraded stainless steel fixed blade for safety and sharpness. At 380 grams, the unit sits in a comfortable weight range for most users, and the 1-second blade removal suggests straightforward maintenance. The kit is positioned as a long-running bestseller with broad adoption, which speaks to its reliability for casual home grooming. In practice, the low noise claim at under 50 decibels helps reduce pet stress during sessions, which is especially valuable for timid dogs. The stainless steel blade and protective design support safe trimming for beginners, though thick or matted coats may necessitate pre-trim preparation with scissors, as noted by reviewers. Maintenance is simple. Rinse the cutter head and reattach. The included charger enabling use while plugged in is convenient for quick touch-ups, and the device's lifetime warranty offers peace of mind for casual users.
List number 2. One Is All Dog Clippers for Grooming for Thick, Heavy Coats. This model targets thicker coats with a stainless steel blade and a 6,800 RPM motor, delivering faster cutting through dense fur. It advertises a noise level under 55 decibels and provides a wide set of 10 detachable combs, 3mm to 25mm, enabling versatile length control. It features USB charging, a 2,000 mAh battery rated for up to 240 minutes of runtime, and IPX7 waterproofing for full washdown cleaning. The overall footprint is compact, with a weight of about 311 grams, making it comfortable to maneuver for longer grooming sessions. The design prioritizes practicality for owners with thick or matted coats, offering a long-running, cordless experience and a robust set of combs that cover a broad range of styles. The IPX7 waterproof rating and included cleaning brush enhance maintenance convenience. A potential caveat is the claimed blade non-disassembly. Users should ensure safe removal of hair and careful cleaning around the fixed blade. The model's 24/7 support and a 24-month protection plan add value for busy households that grew.
List number 3. Suplink Dog Clippers Professional Heavy-Duty Dog. Suplink targets professional-grade performance with the pre-cutify blades and a heavy-duty motor designed to handle a wide range of hair types. The kit includes 4 replaceable blades, 9mm, 6mm, 3mm, and 1mm, enabling flexibility without relying solely on guide combs. The stated runtime is around 5 hours per charge, and the design emphasizes low vibration and ultra-quiet operation at approximately 50 dB. The cordless setup is complemented by a rechargeable battery and a lightweight build that makes it suitable for multi-pet households or professional sedate grooming contexts. Practical use demonstrates a strong balance between power and pet comfort. The replaceable blades allow quick length adjustments without the need for plastic guards, which can be a time saver for experienced groomers or DIY enthusiasts who trim multiple pets. A potential downside is the higher price point and the expectation of more sophisticated maintenance due to blade changes and blade care. The device's lightweight and quiet operation help with patient animals, especially smaller or anxious pets, while the long back.
List number 4. One Is All Dog Grooming Kit for Heavy, Thick Hair. This kit emphasizes thick coats with a 6,800 RPM motor and stainless steel blade, offering IPX7 waterproof protection and a comprehensive accessory set, including 6 guide combs and a paw trimmer attachment. The overall weight is about 0.82 kilograms, and the kit is designed to be fully cordless with a 2-year warranty. The dual functionality includes a dedicated paw trimmer, which targets trimming hard-to-reach areas like paws and around eyes, making it a practical choice for full-body grooming in one session. In use, the combination of waterproofing and cordless versatility makes it a strong option for owners who groom at home and occasionally outdoors. The included paw trimmers improve precision for sensitive areas, while the guide combs ensure consistent lengths. A potential drawback is the relatively heavier weight for long sessions and the need to monitor battery life across multiple pets. Customers who value a robust all-in-one kit will appreciate the breadth of functionality.
List number 5, One is All Dog Clippers. This 2-in-1 kit pairs standard dog clippers with a dedicated paw trimmer, emphasizing low noise and a USB rechargeable setup with an LCD battery indicator. It ships with 6 guide guards, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18 millimeters, and touts a dual speed option alongside an LCD display for power awareness. The kit is designed to accommodate a wide range of dog sizes and coat types, from small to large, with a 2.5-hour runtime for the main clipper and about 2 hours for the paw trimmer after a 2-hour charge. The LCD power readout and dual speed capability add value for users who want more control over performance and battery management. The 2-in-1 paw trimmer provides convenience for trimming delicate areas without purchasing a separate tool. However, speed and reliability on very thick coats may lag behind heavier-duty models, and the overall build quality sits in the middle tier of the market. This makes it a sensible all-arounder for households seeking simplicity and value.